Good morning. So I've been wanting to trim this. It starts getting over the mustache starts curling up, tickling my lip. The hairs on the sides start curling in and tickling my ears. So I've only kind of practiced this one time, but when you're camping and you have whatever, it maintenance is required. I'm stuttering. So I'm just gonna keep it simple. It helps if you can switch hands. And with the beard, it looks like you're not taking that much off, but you're taking off the tops. I don't know if the mic's going to pick that up, the buzzing. Oh, let's switch clippers. I got a short comb on this one. We'll take it off. That way I'm just using the blade by itself. Let's get this done first. The light's not so good. I'm starting to sweat already. So the hairs underneath the nose, just kind of eyeballing it. If I cut off a little too much, it'll go back. If I see them not getting uneven, I just stop. To hit the eyebrows, I put the guard back on, the short one. Ooh, that might have been too much. Gotta keep it the same though. Because these whiskers over here, that was too much. What well? Just clean up these soft, these useless hairs here. The ones that grow on the cheek. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you should try for symmetrical. No one's gonna stare at your beard as much as what you do when you're trimming it. Now, the other thing I like to do on the sides over here, I can't really see them. I'll pull the hair to the side and I kind of go by feel. And a sense of, am I doing it evenly? I'm sure I'm not. And I'm really starting to sweat. The air is so humid right now. I'm trying to keep the length about the Adam's apple. You only trim the neck to that level. Normally I would use the razor blade, but it's good enough for now. I comb the hairs this way and same thing. Come back in here and this is in between haircuts. In about 3 weeks I'll go back to the barber and get a professional job. Same thing, you just pick that point on the chin and go straight back. You can also hear how much hair you're cutting. There's no way I can do it as good as a third person, professional looking down at me. And these little corners you see sticking out. And I don't have my glasses on, so I don't see the details. These little corners right here, they're the hairs that want to curl up. Same thing, I'll just knock them back a little bit. When you get hair that grows in your ears, just take the tip. Hair on top of my ears. Start off slow, you can always trim more. And if you take off too much, don't panic, it'll grow back. Nobody will know. You need the neck hair to fill in to keep this from splitting. If your beard is splitting right here, you don't have enough neck hair back here yet. When I used to keep about a 1/4 inch, you would trim the neck up to about the Adam's apple, top of the Adam's apple. But now that I'm gonna, the length about the bottom of the Adam's apple, the neck hair has to grow to the bottom of the Adam's apple. And what do you think? I'm gonna go rinse all this off and call it done. I'll look at it later on with fresh eyes, more light. Have my wife look at it. If it needs just a little bit more touch up, we'll nail it then. But we're moving on to the next project. And just fold your mirrors back.